If you have been using Badvisor and you wonder what those actions are and how they work, well, today we are going to have an overview of what they do. Move to the Actions tab and open the options by clicking on the plus icon. Select the first one, Animate. Animate allows you to record or map any information. So by clicking Map option, if you open any other property, you can see there is a green overlay. That means that by clicking on it, it will automatically load on the Animate node. You can decide to trigger the animation immediately or give it a time frame by selecting the duration and the start time. You can also, on the corner where it says Start, this means that the action needs to be triggered by another action. I will show some examples later. Go to the Actions menu again and select Overlay. Overlay can enable or disable web content, but it needs to be created first. Now, we don't see anything because we have no overlay created. So go quickly to the Overlay tab, click the plus icon and create one. Close the overlay and open the Actions pack again. And now you have different options to hide and show web elements. Now we go back to the menu and open Enter AR. This action is triggered, and you will need a 3D asset in a GLB format and USDC in order for this to work. Now we go and find Save Configuration. Save Configuration works as a save button. In your scene, when you create a configurator, you can create a save button to store this information and share it with the link. We can now close this one and search for External Link. This basically allows you to open any given link on the website, or if you enable this option, it will open a different tab. Go back to Actions and now select Timeline. This node not only is triggered by actions, but also triggers different ones. As I mentioned before, we can connect now these to the Animate nodes. And you can select the duration and also the time frame, as well as the type of loop. Last but not least, open the menu and click on Sequencer. Sequencer works with steps instead of time frame. You can input how many steps you want to have and connect multiple actions into a single step. If you want to know which actions are triggered in your nodes, simply click on the Triggered By to open the list. Alright, that's all for this video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.